Hi, I'm Jesse Ortiz, and welcome to the Bobby Jones website, where you'll find equipment and apparel designed in the championship style of the game's greatest ambassador, Bobby Jones. I also want to call your attention to the Dave Pelz Sweepstakes, an opportunity for one lucky golfer to change their golfing life forever. An all-expense-paid trip to one of Dave's 3-day schools, I guarantee will change your golfing life. 80% of the strokes that you throw away are within 100 yards and in. Wouldn't it be a great opportunity to learn how to hit all those shots from 100 yards in, get them close to the pin, and score better? Well, for one lucky golfer, that's going to happen. Just take a little bit of time and fill out the entry form and have a chance to win a 3-day all-expense-paid trip to one of Dave's schools. One lucky golfer is going to have their golfing life changed forever. Good luck.